Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you 10 keyboard shortcuts to use in the terminal that every Linux user should know. So let's start today's video. So the first keyboard shortcut is in fact to launch the terminal, which is Ctrl Alt and T, so you press on your keyboard Ctrl plus Alt plus D and you launch the terminal. So the second shortcut is Ctrl D and you quit the terminal. OK. So again Ctrl RT to launch the terminal, Ctrl D to quit the terminal. The third shortcut is Ctrl Shift plus V, so Ctrl Shift plus V will paste anything that you have in the clipboard. So regularly in the file manager you press Ctrl V to paste and Ctrl C to copy, but in the terminal you have to add the Shift button, and for example if you want to copy. Let me select this here, and if I press Ctrl Shift C I have copied this portion here, and if I do some space and then Ctrl Shift V, and as you can see it pasted what we just selected here. The next command is Ctrl plus A, so Ctrl plus A is you go to the beginning of the command, and the next command is Ctrl plus C, you go to the end of the command. So Ctrl plus A, as you can see here, just look at the cursor here, Ctrl plus A you go to beginning, and Ctrl plus E you go to the end. So the next command is Ctrl plus L to clear the screen. For example, if I press Ctrl plus L here, it tells me that there is no command here, and Ctrl plus L will in fact clear the screen. So the next command is Ctrl plus B. So Ctrl plus B you go backward one character, as you can see, Ctrl plus B and you go backward one character. Alt plus B and you go backward one word, OK, as you can see. So the opposite is F instead of B, the F which is forward. So Alt plus F you go forward one word, and Ctrl plus F you go forward one character.
So that's it for this video. Second part of this video coming soon. So please subscribe the channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment in the section below, especially if you want me to do videos about special topic or anything that you want. Thanks for watching and take care.